Welcome back to yet another episode on Health Basket. Slender arms. This has been a dream for many women. Our grandmothers, they had many work to do with their hands, like grinding the idli batter or washing clothes. Indirectly, they were very good exercises for the arms, so they didn't accumulate any fat in them. But nowadays, a woman has to balance her house and the work, and there is hardly any exercises for the arms. After the age of 40, the muscles are replaced by fat, and the women get the sagging skin. When you start doing an exercises or when you start dieting, the arm fat is the last one to go. So when you don't see results in 1 week or 2 weeks, they get disheartened. They don't want to do it anymore. But I can tell you, there are some simple exercises. If you do it on a regular basis without discontinuing in between, I think you are going to have a super result. The first thing is, you can do it standing. You extend the arms above your head and hold it together and bring it back. So in this way, when you do these exercises, that will act on these places and it will start tightening this area. So the more exercises you do, the more fat it will burn. So Monday to Saturday, you can do these exercises. Monday, you begin with 20. You can do it 20 in the morning, 20 in the evening. Don't overdo it because you may end up in muscle fatigue, so you won't be able to continue it for a longer time. So Monday, you're doing 20 in the morning, 20 in the evening. Tuesday, you make it 30. Day by day, you increase 10. If you're not able to do it 10, day by day, you increase 5. So that your body has different exercises on a daily basis. So when you do it, if you do it for about 2 to 3 weeks, you will considerably see that sagging has tightened.
To get more health tips from the best doctors, subscribe to Health Basket YouTube channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Stay connected with our Health Basket page on social medias.